Hi, lovelies, welcome back. Today I share with you how I make this simple and delicious party jollof rice that everyone around will keep asking for more. Try it out and you will love it. So stay tuned and let's get started. To begin, we are going to be needing some goat meat. Feel free to use any protein of your choice, now cut to your desirable size.
Mira's kitchen dey for you. Mira's kitchen dey for you. Then dey for put call we active.
At this point, I'm done cutting the meat. So next, yeah, pour it into a clean pot. The meat is well cleaned. Okay, now season it up with some green marinade.
You don't need to dey bother yourself.
Season cubes, feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Okay, so I added some chopped onions, thyme. You can as well use the fresh one. I added some oregano, fresh rosemary, soya sauce, optional, ginger and garlic paste, some salt to taste. Once done, give it a properly stir until everything is well combined. Now cover the pot and allow to cook on its own juice for about 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes later, I checked on the pot. Yeah, as you can see, the juice is out, so I gave it a properly stir. Now add some water to the level of the meat in the pot. So feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings. Yeah, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Once done, cover the pot and allow to cook until the meat is properly cooked. Okay. Some minutes later, I checked on the pot. Yeah. So at this point, the meat is properly cooked. Okay. You can as well grill yours or fry, or you can also leave it that way. So what I did next was to pour the meat or add the meat in a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Once done, I'll grill it and set aside. Next, in a preheated pan, I added some vegetable oil and allowed to heat up. Yeah. So once the oil is done heating up, I added some little salt. Now go in with my chopped onions and stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I added my fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, stir properly and add some ginger and garlic paste. So I fry for about 2 more minutes.
You don't need to dey bother yourself.
2 minutes later, I added my fresh tomatoes. Yeah, this is fresh tomatoes, well cooked, and the water was well drained out. Yeah, so I added it gently and keep stirring until everything is well combined, and keep frying until it reduces in quantity. So at a point, I added my blended red bell pepper. Mix until everything is well incorporated and fry until it reduces in quantity and oil flow to the top of the sauce. Please make sure you stir so you don't end up with burnt tomatoes. Okay, so looking at it now, it is done. I added some curry powder, some crayfish, add to your taste. Yeah, so here I added some seasoned cubes, oregano. Feel free to add any seasonings of your choice. So I gave it a properly stir. I added some fresh pepper, add to your taste. So the next is to add in the washed rice. Yeah, once done, give it a properly stir until everything is well incorporated. Yeah, and keep stirring for another 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, as you can see, we are done. So the next, I added in the stock water and mix. Okay, so I added more water to it, but make sure not to overwater your jollof. Okay, feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings. Yeah, just the way I did here. So after mixing and you are satisfied with the quantity of water or the seasonings, then you are good to go. So I added the rest of the tomatoes. Okay, once done, I cover the pot and allow to cook until the water dries up and the rice well cooked. Some minutes later, I checked on the pot. The water has reduced in quantity, so I have to cover it up with some baking paper, or you can use foil. Okay, once done, cover the pot and allow it to cook properly or until the water dries up. Now back to the pot, yeah. So I opened the pot, yeah, as you can see, everything is well cooked. So remove the foil or paper gently. Once done, add some little butter, but this is optional. Some onions, top it up with some crayfish. Once done, cover the pot and allow to cook for another 2 minutes or until the butter melts. Okay. Some minutes now we are checking on the pot. Yeah, everything is well cooked. So mix until it is well incorporated. Yeah. Now turn off the cooker and our party jollof rice is ready. Guys, this rice tasted super good. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for joining. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you guys for watching, and our rice is done. See you in our next one. I remember.